This is reserve problem 20 in chapter 8. Again, it deals with sample size calculation, but this time for process mean. The equation and the reading, supplemental reading that I have provided gives the equation that must be used for this calculation. It says an engineer at Shoe Factory Incorporated wants to calculate the cycle time, which is the time to make one unit, for a process based on work sampling observations of workers performing the job. The standard deviation for the process time is 0.4 minutes. And this is based on a small sample of observations which she took. If the engineer wants to be 95% confident of being in error by only 0.125 minutes, what sample size should she take? So in this case, because we want 95% confidence, we will use the norm S inverse, or inverse of the standard normal, with the parameter inside parentheses to be 0.975. That generates the value of 1.96 for us. By plugging that number in our equation and squaring it, sigma squared in this problem is 0.4, so 0.4 squared. And then we divide by error, which in this case we want error to be only within 0.125. So we divide that by 0.125 squared. And in this case we get sample size rounded should be 40. So 40 observations should be sufficient to have a 95% confidence in terms of the process average, and error being 0.125 minutes.